Is the Harbor Freight 4.3 amp angle grinder worth $12 or complete garbage? Let's find out. The Drillmaster 4.5 inch angle grinder is the cheapest angle grinder on the market by far, at a price of $12. And for that $12, you get the specs of a 4.3 amp motor that runs at 12,000 RPM and has a power consumption of 500 watts. The tool has a length of 11 inches and a width of 5 inches and a height of 4.5 inches and a tool weight of 3.37 pounds. The tool has a cast aluminum gear house and a all ball bearing motor and a 2-position handle. You can put it on this side or you can put it on this side, and it has a fixed wheel guard. So let's compare the Drillmaster angle grinder to the Chicago Electric angle grinder. So the differences between the Chicago Electric angle grinder and the Drillmaster angle grinder is that the Chicago Electric has a 3 adjustable auxiliary handle, one on the side, one on the top, and one on the other side. And it has an adjustable wheel guard as well. And it claims to have a contractor grade impact resistant aluminum housing and a 6 amp fan cooled ball bearing motor in there, and a 10,000 RPM running speed. The Chicago Electric grinder has a 720 watt power draw and a tool weight of 4.19 pounds and a length of 11.5 inches. So comparing the two grinders, it almost makes no sense to get the Drillmaster at $12, because for $12 more, you can get the Chicago Electric. And on paper, the Chicago Electric almost has better specs in every category. So let's compare the two and see if this one's worth a damn or just get this one. So for our first test, we're going to use the Drillmaster 4.3 amp grinder on this 1/2 inch plate steel. We're going to see if it gets bogged down on this. And then the other thing I don't like about this this Drillmaster is that this switch, you push it in and then you push forward. No hand. My hand is not pushing that button down. I don't think that's safe. Like, that is going and my hand is not holding it down. So let's take a look here. So that actually performed way better than I thought it would. I was trying my hardest to push it into the metal and cause it to stop moving, and it really didn't. So it's actually performed much better than I thought it would. But let's see the Chicago Electric, if that one actually grinds the metal even faster. So now I got the Chicago Electric 6 amp angle grinder. Let's see if this performs better than the Drillmaster. So what do I think of the Drillmaster tool after using it? I think it's a safety hazard, and I don't think anyone should ever use this tool. Reason why, you push this switch on here, and it's on. There's nothing turning it off. It's straight up, it's on, it's going, and there's no dead man hand on it. You just push it to get off, but it's stuck on. So if you drop it, it could potentially just stay on. I just dropped it there, and then the switch is still on. So this is not a safe tool for anyone, because compared to the Chicago Electric tool, this is a paddle operated switch. So you gotta push down the little lever here and then it goes. And as soon as you let go, it goes back up. So this tool is dangerous, because if you drop it or if you don't have control of it, it's going to continue to go on. There's nothing stopping it. So in conclusion, what do I think of the two? I think you should definitely always buy this one. Yes, that can do the job, but it's completely unsafe for you because there's no dead man switch on it. So as soon as you let go of the switch on this one, it stops. On that one, there's nothing stopping it. So 100% get this. Never get the Drill Master one. It's just unsafe to use. And so if you like this video, make sure you subscribe for more, and see you in the next one.